Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts, our skin. We all want that radiant, healthy glow, right? But sometimes, life throws us a curveball. Stress, pollution, and even the changing seasons can wreak havoc on our skin. So, instead of reaching for those expensive creams and potions filled with ingredients we can't even pronounce, let's talk about 5 natural remedies that can really help soothe and improve your skin. You'll want to stick around for this. First up, we have aloe vera. This magical plant is like nature's very own moisturizer. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you've ever had a sunburn, you probably know how soothing aloe vera can be. Just slice open a leaf and apply the gel directly to your skin. It hydrates, reduces redness, and can even help with acne. Plus, it's super easy to grow at home. Just a little bit of care, and you've got your very own skin-soothing superhero right in your kitchen. Next, let's talk about honey. Sweet, sticky, and oh so delicious. Honey isn't just for your tea. It's a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin. Applying honey as a mask can leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It also has antibacterial properties, making it great for fighting acne. Just spread a thin layer on your face, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Now, moving on to the powerhouse of oils, coconut oil. This isn't just for cooking, it's a fantastic moisturizer that can work wonders for your skin. It's rich in fatty acids, which help to nourish and hydrate. If you have dry skin, a little coconut oil can go a long way. Just warm a small amount between your hands and massage it into your skin. It can also help with makeup removal. Just a few drops on a cotton pad, and you're good to go. Plus, it smells amazing, which is always a bonus. Our 4th remedy is oatmeal. Yes, you heard me right. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. It's a fantastic natural exfoliant and can help soothe irritated skin. You can make a simple oatmeal mask by grinding oats into a fine powder and mixing them with water or yogurt. Apply it to your face, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off. It's great for calming redness and irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. Oatmeal is like a gentle hug for your face. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about green tea. This isn't just a soothing drink. It's packed with antioxidants that can help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. You can brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Just soak a cotton pad in the tea and wipe it over your face. It's refreshing, calming, and can help with acne and redness. Plus, you get to enjoy the leftover tea while your skin soaks up all those benefits. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies to soothe and improve your skin. Aloe vera, honey, coconut oil, oatmeal, and green tea. They're all easy to find, simple to use, and best of all, they're gentle on your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take a little trial and error to find out what works best for you. But with these natural remedies in your skincare arsenal, you'll be well on your way to achieving that healthy glow we all crave. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to take care of your skin.